I'm going to be showing you how to use Meta AI image creation in WhatsApp. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is just open your WhatsApp first, go to your app library and find WhatsApp, which is right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. After you've done so, you just need to look at the bottom right corner where you can see this round button, which is the Meta AI icon. Just tap here, and now you just need to use prompts for image creation. So you can use this word imagine. After you type this, you just need to imagine a picture. So make sure your description is really detailed, so you can use it for something like this: a guy eating food happily, and just send it. Wait for it to create an image for you. You just need to wait for a few seconds as it's really quick. So there you go, you have an image. That's how you use this function with a simple word, which is imagine. So there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video.